Good afternoon, my name is Sekwi and I'll be performing a kidney dissection. Our apparatus, we have our gloves, our kidney, our tweezer, our surgical blade, and our dissection tray. After dissecting our kidney, you should be able to see a structure like this. First thing first, before we can dissect our kidney, we should remove this protective layer we call the capsule. Outside our capsule, we will see two vessels and one tube outside here on this region. Our first vessel will be renal artery, which transport blood from the heart to the kidney. And then we'll have the second vessel, which is our renal vein, which will remove the filtered blood from the kidney to the heart. And then we'll have our tube, which is called ureter, which transport the urine to the bladder. Before we can start, we should remove our protective layer. We will use our surgical blade. It's been removed. Now we are going to dissect longitudinally. We are going to dissect from this area up to this point, from this point up to this point, so that when we open our kidney, it should be like a book. Now we've just dissected our kidney. As you can see, the structure is almost similar to the first structure that we saw before the dissection. What we can observe in our dissected kidney, the first thing that we can see is our cortex, which forms as a protective layer for the internal structure of the kidney. Here in our area, we can see our pyramids. Within our pyramids, we have a structure that is called the nephron, which filters the blood and produces urine. When the nephron has just produced the urine will be transported to the calyx. This is our calyx. From the calyx, it will be transported to our pelvis of our ureter somewhere here. From then, it will be transported to our ureter, that when it goes to our bladder. This is what we need to understand within the structure of the kidney. Now that we've seen the macro structure of the kidney, we have to go through the function and understand where this thing is located. Our kidney is located just below our diaphragm. Our kidney, its function is for excretion and homeostasis. In excretion, it filters the blood to remove waste substance such as urea from the body, and then in homeostasis, when we say waste product, we are saying toxics from alcohol and other things that are not good for the body. Homeostasis, it helps to regulate the amount of water and salts in the body and to maintain the acidic base balance in the body. These functions are carried out by a microscopic tubule, which is called the nephrons, which are situated inside the pyramids. We have 1 million nephrons together with the blood vessel make up the cortex and the medulla of each kidney. This nephron is the functional unit of the kidney. Thank you very much.